This next activity will work on our visual perception, and we're going to be looking at each of these rows one at a time and deciding which picture is different in each of the rows and doesn't look quite the same as the others. So we're going to start up here with this first row, and we're going to use our eyes to look at all 4 of the items in that row and decide which one is different. If you want longer to look at an item, you can always just pause. For this first row, if you notice that this last one is different, you're right. This last one is an oval. The first 3 are shaped like circles, but the last one is taller, up and down. Let's look at the next row. Which one of these triangles is different? They are all triangles. If you notice that the first one has the point at the top and that it is different from the others, you're right. Let's go to the next one. For this row of X's, we can see that all 4 items are X's. They're all very similar, but which one is different? Well, if we were to draw a box around each of these X's, we could see that there would be a square-shaped box around this X, but the next one would need a rectangle-shaped box. So those 2 we know are different. What about the next one? A square-shaped box would fit perfectly around that X, so that one and this one are the same size. Those 2 are the same, but this one is different. And if we look at the last one, we can see that that one is also an X shaped the size of a square. It's not as tall as this X, which would fit in a rectangle-shaped box. Next, we have our swirls. So which of these swirls is different? This one can be kind of tricky. Did you notice? One of the swirls goes in the opposite direction. This one starts and it goes counterclockwise. It goes the way opposite from the way the hands on a clock move. This one does the same thing. It starts here and then it goes counterclockwise. Those 2 go the same direction. They look very similar. Let's look at the next one. This one goes the same direction around as the hands on a clock move. This one's clockwise. This one is different from the other 2. And if we see the last one is the same as the first 2, now we know this one is the different one in this row. And lastly, the last row, we can see that the first one is a vertical line, and the next 3 are lines, and they are straight. They're mostly up and down, but they are all diagonal lines. Slightly different. This one has a little bit of a curve in it, so we could say that one's kind of a little bit of a curve difference from the first and the fourth. But that first one is definitely different because it's a vertical line. And that is it for this activity. Hope you had fun.